Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark Go 2022, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then install it on your device. So then just tap to open the app. Click yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. And you will see here information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's 20, 30 and 8 degrees. So also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.